of Darvala Boxing State, Santa Elena Camarines Norte, Nicolano yan. Cebuano naman, ito si Joe Misako Noynay. And third man atop the ring is international and veteran referee Mr. Ber Garcia. And this is scheduled for 12 rounds for the vacant WBC Eurasia Pacific Boxing Council Super Bantamweight Championship. First round, mga kaibigan. Joe Misako, yan po naka-yellow trunks. He's lean, he's tall, and let's see if he can pack those punches against the veteran Edison Beruela.
Parehong naliwet yung dalawang boksingero natin. Si Joe Misako, 19 years old pa lang to, batang-bata. Na makasubukan sa dito ni Edison Beruela.
Magandang dito yung matches dito ni Joe Misako, no? Misako again on the attack, working early on the first round of this fight. Misako against Beruela. Misako connecting there to the delight of the supporters. Matagal na rin lumalaban ito, no? Although he's 19,
Veteran sa amateur.
veteran siya, nag-amateur pa ito, di ba? Nag-amateur. Maganda yung mga ganaw. Very calculated yung kanyang atake against Beruela. Parang wala sinasayang na ito.
Maganda, relax na relax.
Oo. Atake na naman, si Misako. Mabilis ng mga kamay ni Joe Noynay, Joe Misako Noynay from Cebu. So will be based in Tokyo, Japan. As his manager, Mr. Misako, is supporting him and would like to give him more training and more exposure in Christchurch, Japan.